In this video, I will show you how to apply for a UTR number in the UK. A UTR, or Unique Taxpayer Reference, is a 10-digit number you'll receive when you either register for self-assessment or set up a limited company. It's also sometimes called a tax reference. One of the most common ways to get a UTR is by registering as a sole trader. To do this, go to Google and type register as a sole trader. From the search results, click on the official gov.uk link that says register as a sole trader. This page explains that you register as a sole trader by registering for self-assessment. It also states that you must register if you earn more than £1,000 in a tax year or if you need to prove you're self-employed, for example, to claim tax-free childcare. Once you've reviewed the requirements, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Start Now. From here, the system will ask why you need to send a self-assessment tax return. Simply answer the questions step by step. After that, you'll be asked to provide your personal details, such as your name, address, and other relevant information. Completing this process will register you for self-assessment, and once that's done, you'll receive your UTR number. Keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor, so if you have any issues or specific concerns, it's best to consult a qualified professional. My goal here was just to show you where and how you can apply for your UTR. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to How to Tutor.